name is Nancy. I'm the President-elect of Philippine Nurses Association of New England. PNANET started 1990 and it was founded by our beloved Attorney Leticia Hermosa. And we are going to have our 34th anniversary October 12th, so you are all invited. So hopefully we'll get to support Attorney. Anyway, we have our member here, Marilu Aguinaldo. It's her first time. Ryan, our nurse. Ryan. He's a board member and advisory board, Nelia Francisco. It's a surprise. Tawagin mo na lang ako sa pangalan Ista, isang Pinoy nurse na nangarap ng ibang bansa sa Amerika.
Mami, nagpadala na po ako ng pera. Okay na? Nakuha niyo na yung kalabaw? Oo, si Bonso. Pag-aaral mo naman. Hindi ko pinupulot ang pera dito. Hirap na ako. Kanya ako. Akala niyo, tumataya ako ng pera. Nurse! Nurse! Ay, tatawag ko mamaya. Ay, hi. I'm sorry.
Can you get my pocketbook?
Yeah, sure. What else?
Hurry up, please.
Okay.
I want my
Of
pocketbook.
course. Okay. Here's your pocketbook. It's a nice love story. I love it.
This is not a pocketbook. What are you talking
It's a
about?
pocketbook.
No, it's not.
What is it then?
I don't understand you.
I don't understand. What? This is a pocketbook. What does she want? What does she want? Oh, a bag? I say I'm so sorry. Okay. What else do you need, Mrs. Smith?
I want my ice cream.
Oh,
Where's
ice
my
cream.
ice cream?
Okay. I will give you your ice cream, but you have to take your medication.
No, I want my ice cream now. I
Okay.
want my ice cream.
Hi, Iska. I will take care of her.
Okay. Oh, thank you so much, Ate.
Oh, Nelia, where were you? I was looking for you.
I'll give you ice cream, okay?
Okay, okay. Where's my room? Where am I?
Okay, let me show you.
Paano ko maturok dito?
Teka muna.
Ano ako yung Pilipinas? Walang daily.
Iska! May sasabihin ako sa'yo. Bukas, meron kaming meeting. Sa Pinanin.
Ano po yan?
Yung organization namin.
Networking na naman yan. Naloko na ako sa Pilipinas. Yan ba'y may power?
Marami kami sa'yo na mag-aalis ka stress.
Baka may scam ako niya. Wala na ako. Padala ko na lang. Ang tubos ng kalabaw.
Konti lang ang bayad. $65 lang.
Wala bang discount? Frontliner discount?
Baka may sponsor
Siyempre. Bet ko yan.
Tapos may mga tutulong sa'yo, mamigay emotional support, i-educate ka pa. Tapos magkaka-networking ka pa. Ayaw ka ba doon? Halika na.
Tita Charo, isang nurse ang tumulong sa amin upang ipakilala sa mga grupo ng nurses. Where is Malu?
Right here. PNAE will make an impact, inspiring meaningful partnership and collaboration through innovation, mentorship, professionalism, advocacy, compassion, and teamwork. As you can see, the PNEA of New England really can make a difference and the impact and influence. Thank you. Ikaw pala, si Nelia, si Ryan.
Iska?
Si Iska, sorry!
Ano ba yung meeting ng natin?
Welcome, Iska!
Siya yung president.
Talaga po. Ano ba yung mga ginagawa dito?
Ay, ang ganda-ganda ng magiging member ka pag ganitong community.
Ano pa mga ginagawa niyo?
Marami kaming mga ginagawa. Binibigyan namin ng awareness ang mga community natin. Binibigyan natin ng aruga at mga iba't ibang nurses sa ibang lugar ng Amerika.
Aba, exciting naman po dito. Salamat!
Okay. At saka yung mantra niya, ipapaliwanag niya sa'yo.
Ipaliwanag mo nga. Ano pa yung mantra mo?
Ang mantra ko ay talagang mag-aruga at mag-alaga sa ating mga kapatid, the sisters and brothers in our nursing profession.
Woo! Thank you! Ay, ang saya-saya pala dito sa Pinane! Thank you, Tito. Sinama mo ko dito.
Tito Charo, dahil sa isang nurse na kaibigan, ako po ay nag-isang miyembro ng Philippine Nurses Association of New England. At hindi lang po yun. Dahil dito, ako po ay isa naging board member. Lubos na nagpapasalamat, Iska. Ang buhay ng ating nurses dito sa Amerika ay hindi biro. Pero kapag may nag-aaruga, lahat gumagaan. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang PNA!
Yeah!